looking for a part-time job. So let's see the dialogue. Kaiwa. Kaiwa is dialogue. John calls the restaurant Little Asia. Tencho. So the hotel restaurant manager. Hi. Ritoru Asia des. John. Watakushi. John un tomoshimasu. Arubaito. Bashyo no kokoku o mitan desu ka? Tencho. So desu ka? Ja, atte hanashimashou ka? Kyou mise ni koraremasu ka? John. Kyou wa chotto ikenai n desu ka? Ashita nara ikeru to omoimasu. Tencho. So desu ka? Kyou wa dame desu ka? Ja, ashita no 1時頃はどうですか? John. 1時ですね。わかりました。At the restaurant, 店長。ウンさんはどうしてこのアルバイトに興味があるんですか? John. 面白そうですから、いろいろな人に会えるし、日本語も使えるし。店長。レストランで働いたことがありますか? John. はい。ウェーター鳴らしたことがあります。店長。明日から始められますか? John. はい。よろしくお願いします。店長。頑張ってください。Professor Yamashita comes to Little Asia. John. いらっしゃいませ。あ、山下先生。山下先生。ジョンさん、ここでアルバイトをしているんですか? ジョン、1週間に3日働いています。山下先生、そうですか? どれが美味しいですか? ジョン、このカレーが一番人気がありますよ。山下先生、美味しそうですね。じゃあ、食べてみます。So, manager, yes, this is Little Asia. John, my name is John Wang. I saw your classified ad. Manager, I see. Well, shall we meet and have a talk? Can you come to store today? John, I cannot come today, but if it is tomorrow, I think I can come. Manager, I see. No good today? All right. How about 1 o'clock tomorrow? John, 1 o'clock? Okay, I have got it. Manager, Mr. Wang, why are you interested in this job? John, it seems interesting. I can meet various people. I can also use Japanese. Manager, have you worked at a restaurant before? John, yes, as a waiter, I have. Manager, can you start tomorrow? John, yes, I promise to do my best. Manager, yes, I know you will do your best. John, welcome. Oh, Professor Yamashita. Professor Yamashita, John, do you work here? John, yes, I work 3 days a week. Professor Yamashita, I see. Which one is good? John, this curry is the most popular one. Professor Yamashita, it's look good. Well, I'll try this one. So let's see the tango vocabulary. Waiter, waiter. Oji-san, grandfather or old man. Otaku, someone's house. Otona, adult. Gaikokugo, foreign language. Gakki, musical instrument. Karate, karate. Kare, curry. Kimono, Japanese traditional dress. Keiki, cake. Kokoku, advertisement. Kocha, black tea. Kotoba, language. Gorufu, golf. Seta, sweater. Zo, elephant. Violin, violin. Baiku, motorbike. Bukka, prizes. Bunpo, grammar. Bengoshi, lawyer. Boshu, recruitment. Mise, shop or store. Yakuza, Yakuza, gangster. Yakusoku, promise or appointment. Repoto, paper. Watakushi, I, formal. Coming to the E adjectives. Ureshi, glad. Kanashi, sad. Karai, hot and spice. Kibishi, strict. Chikai, close or near. Let's see the na adjectives. Iro, irona, various, different kinds of. Shiyavasena, happy, long lasting. Dame, damena, no good. You adjectives. Amu, to knit. Kasu, to lend. Gambaru, to do one's best. Naku, to cry. Migaku, to brush. Yakusoku mamoru. Yakusoku mamoru, to keep a promise. Irregular verb. Kando suru, to be moved. Adverbs and other expressions. Irashaimase, someone's honorable, welcome. Kai, times. Kiro, kilometer. Jitsuba, all. Zembu, Jitsuba, it is as a matter of fact. Zembu, all. Tomoshimasu, my name is. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, thank you. Coming to the numbers, Ichinichi, 1 day. Futsuka, 2 days. Mikka, 3 days. Yokka, 4 days. Itsuka, 5 days. Muikka, 6 days. Nanoka, 7 days. Yokka, 8 days. Kokonoka, 9 days. Toka, 10 days. So let's see the bunpo, grammar part. First is potential verbs. We use the potential verb to say that someone can or has the ability to do something or something is possible. We make potential verb using the rules listed below. Ru verbs. Drop the final ru and add rareru. Like for example, miru, to see. Mirareru, they can able to see. U verbs. Drop the final u and add eru. Iku, ikeru. Hanasu, hanaseru. Kau, kaeru. Oyogu, oyogeru. Asobu, asoberu. Matsu, matteru. Yomu, yomeru. Shinu, shineru. Toru, toreru. Irregular verbs. Kuru, korareru. Suru, dekiru. You may note that for potential forms of ru verb are considered longer than those of u verbs because ru is shorter than rareru because rareru is lengthier form. What happens to the hiragana ru? Compare mirareru and toreru in the above list. There actually are shorter alternative potential forms of ru verbs. And the irregular verb for kuru, you may be adding the suffix reru instead of rareru. So these ra-less forms are gaining popularity but are considered slightly substandard. For example, deru, derareru, dereru, miru, mirareru, mireru. Instead of rareru, they are adding reru. Irregular verbs, kuru, korareru, koreru. So this also can be used. Potential verbs themselves conjugate as regular ru verbs. Watashi wa nihongo ga hanaseru. I can speak Japanese. Watashi wa oyogenai desu. The truth is I cannot swim. So which is negative form. 雨が降ったので、海に行けませんでした。We could not go to the beach because it rained. The table below summarizes the conjugation pattern of potential verbs. So the short forms and long forms. Coming to the present, mirareru. The negative is mirarenai. The past, mirareta. Mirare nakatta. Te forms, mirarete. Long forms are miraremas, miraremasen, miraremashta, miraremasen deshta. So those verb takes the particle o and can take either o or ga when they have been made into a potential dekiru. So instead of either o or ga, so both can be taken. So if it is dekiru, so the potential counterpart of the verb suru, it is somewhat special. So we have to use ga instead of o. So the use of o with dekiru is considered highly substantial. We have to use ga. So all particles other than o remains the same when the verb is turned into potential. So everything will get changed. Everything will be same except o. Instead of o, we have to put ga. So for example, verbs with o. Kanji o yomu. Kanji ga yomeru. Or kanji o yomeru. So if it is suru or dekiru, shigoto wo suru. Shigoto ga dekiru. Shigoto wo dekiru is considered substandard. But suru, you have to put the dekiru. You have to use ga. You should not use o. So, yamani noboru. Yamani noboreru. So there is no any particle change. Only for suru, the particle will get changes. So coming to the next thing, she. To give the reason for something, we can use the conjugation kara. So if it is many reasons, you can use she. So, doshite pateini doshite pateini konain desu ka? Why aren't you coming to the party? Ashita shiken ga aru kara kyou wa benkyou shinaku rayankenain desu. I have to study today because there will be an exam tomorrow. When you want to mention not just one but two or more reasons, you can use she in place of kara. She usually follows a predicate in long forms. So such as Nihongo wa omoshiroi shi, sensei wa ii shi, watashi wa Nihongo no jugyo ga daisuki desu. I really like my Japanese class because Japanese language is interesting or our teacher is good. And our teacher is good, sorry. Kazoku kara tegami ga kitashi, kare to denwa de hanashitashi, kino wa tottemo ii hi deshita. Yesterday was a great day. A letter came from my family and I talked with my boyfriend on the phone. Kune ni kaeritai desu ka? Do you want to go back home? Iie. Nihon no seikatsu wa tanoshii shi, ii tomodachi ga iru shi, kaeritaku arimasen. No, life here in Japan is good. And I have good friends here, so I don't want to go back. You can use just one she clause implying that it is not only one reason for the situation. Life in this city is an easygoing one. Things are inexpensive for one thing. Bukka ga yasui shi, kono machi no seikatsu wa raku desu. So sometimes she class follows the description of situation explained. Yamashita sensei wa ii sensei desu. Oshieru no ga zozu da shi, shinsetsu da. Shinsetsu da shi. So Professor Yamashita is a great teacher. He is good at teaching and he is kind. Note that she follows the short forms in the present tense. So this means the appears with na adjectives and nouns, but not with e adjectives. So in a very polite speech style, she can also follows the long forms. So just like another reading connective, kara. So you may follow the long forms as we have learnt in lesson 6, as well as short forms. Watashi wa rainen mo nihongo wo benkyou shimasu. Nihon ga suki desu shi, Nihongo wa omoshiroi desu shi. I will study Japanese next year too. I like Japan, and what is more, the Japanese language is interesting. So let's see the adjectives, e adjectives. Omoshiroi shi. Na adjectives, sukidashi. So noun plus this, it's like gakuse dashi. So if you are using for na adjective and noun, you have to use dashi. So this, it looks like we add so this to e and na adjectives basis to say something seeming that those properties. When we say so this, we are guessing that something is like on the basis of our impressions. To form so this sentences with e adjectives, you have to drop the final e with na adjectives. And you just drop the na. The only exception with the e adjective is e. So, which will be changed as yosa before so. So, let's see the examples. Kono ringo wa oishishou desu. This apple looks delicious. Ashita wa tenki ga yosasou desu. It looks like the weather will be fine tomorrow. Mary-san wa genkisou deshita. It looked like Mary was fine. So, e adjectives are oishi, oishishou desu. The exception for e adjective, yosasou desu. And na adjectives, genki na, genkisou desu. And you can use the so desu with negative adjectives too. The negative ending with nai is changed to nasa before so. So yosa, like yosa, it was changed to nasa. So, kono hon wa muzukashiku nasasou desu. This book doesn't look difficult. Tomoko-san wa tenisu ga zozu ja nasasou desu. It doesn't look like Tomoko is good at tennis. You can use the adjective so combination to qualify a noun. So is a na adjective, and thus we have to say so na before a noun. So you can also use so this with the verb stem to describe the imminent event. So ame ga furisou desu. It looks like it will rain. The negative of the verb stem plus so desu. Construction is somewhat irregular. So ame ga furisou mo arimasen. It doesn't look like it will rain. Atataka sou na seita wo kiteimasu. She wears a warm-looking sweater. So in many so there sentences, the guesswork is done on the basis of visual impressions. It is wrong, however, to assume that so is inalienable link to the visual media. We use the so this when we lack conclusive evidence. For example, we say an apple is oishiso because we have had the chance to taste it. Once we have the tasted, we say oishi. With an adjective for which the visual evidence is crucial, such as kireina, we do not use so and say that something kirei so this. If it looks pretty, we already have enough evidence to conclude that it is pretty. Next, te miru. You can use te form of a verb plus the helping verb miru to express the idea of doing something tentatively or trying something. You are not sure what the outcome of your action will be. but do it and see what effect it might have. 漢字がわからなかったので、日本人の友達に聞いてみました。I don't know the kanji, so I tried asking a friend, a Japanese friend of mine. 友達があの店ね、ケーキはおいしいと言っていましたから、今度食べてみます。My friend says that the cake at the shop is good. I will have a piece of one of these days and see if it is already lives on its reputation. Miru comes from the verb miru and the conjugates as a regular verb. So let's see the other one, nara. A statement of the form noun a, nara predicates x, says that the predicate x applies only to a and it is not more generally valid. The main idea of nara sentence, in other words, are limitation and contrast. Brazil ni ita koto ga arimasu ka? Have you ever been to Brazil? Mexico nara ita koto ga arimasu ka? Brazil wa ita koto ga arimasen. So I have been to Mexico but never been to Brazil. You can optionally keep the particle ni before nara in this example. Particles such as ni, de and kara may, but do not have to intervene between the noun and nara. While ba, ga, o never go with nara. Nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? Do you understand Japanese? Hiragana nara wakarimasu. If it is in hiragana, yes. Nara introduces a sentences that says something positive about the item, that it is contrasted. In the first situation above, Nara puts Mexico in a positive light, but in contrast with Brazil, which the question was originally about. In the second situation, a smaller part, namely hiragana, is brought up and contrasted with the larger area, namely the language as a whole. Next. Issue kan ni sankai. You can describe the frequency of events over a period of time by using the following framework. For period, we have to use the particle ni. So for example, watashi wa ishukan ni sankai kami wo araimasu. I shampoo 3 times a week. Watashi wa 1ヶ月に1回家族に電話をかけます。I call my family once a month. 父は1年に2回旅行をします。My father goes on a trip twice a year.